at Grayson over there. Pull it, boy. Oh. So, Daddy, I need a little help. All right, go. Gosh. Good. All right, we'll tie it down later. Don't tie it down now.
It's Taylor Man Playhouse Day. It's Sandbox Day.
Set, go! Timber! Whoa! Straight onto the net. It's okay. All right, go. Get off of it, Grayson. Come on, Moo. Come on, Max. Timber! Oh! A good place for this?
Yeah.
All right, what's going here, guys?
No, Grayson. Move.
Time to hydrate. Pink lemonade and water time.
Look, Mama.
Let's see that. Pull it out. Look what we found in the ties, the railroad ties. Black toads. All loaded up, fixing to go to the trash.
It's a mud Grayson?
No, you're
Don't make mud.
He's making mud.
No mud. All right, look right here between the lines. Is it level? Is the bubble between the lines?
Yep.
Yep, it is. So that means your board is level. So that means you can screw it in where it's at. Daddy's gonna screw it in down there. And then he's gonna screw it in down here. And that'll be one board, okay? Mason. What are y'all playing with? Excavator? This is what's going on the bottom as a mat so that the sand can dry or stay dry. So this is the piece that's going in under the sand to keep the sand in and keep it from sitting in moisture. If the water gets in it, then the water will run out because it's got these little pieces right here where the water can just easily run out. Look, it's time to put the sand in. Come on.
watch out for that.
Watch out. Be careful. Careful, careful, careful. Careful, careful. Careful, that'll bust your leg open. Careful.
Help, hold on, Grayson, help brother.
All right, ready? Set.
Come on, Grayson, help brother.
Here we go.
Pick it up, pick it up.
Yay! Sand! You ready? Are you guys
putting water in here?
No water goes in here.
I didn't know that my dog goes, Mama.
We got to finish putting the sand in.
Oh, Mama.
You got all these bags of sand.
I got my baby done, huh?
You do? Well, we got to get the other bags of sand in, okay?
It's a different blade. So.
All right, Mason, you excited? Are you excited? Yeah. Look at me. Mason, are you excited? Yeah.
Pick it up.
Come in here.
Where you come in here?
That says I'll get you too high.
Go off.
Mason.
Come in here. One night.
Right now. What are you doing?
I'm doing sorry.
You building something with your shoe? You washed your shoe off? Don't put it in there, okay?
I won't even know.
You can't put yours in there.
Huh.
Let me see the bottom of them. Is there mud on them? Pick your feet up, let me see. Pick them up, let me see. Oh my gosh, no. Look at the bottom of it. Go wash them off. Jump in there with bare feet and play.
Let's make a snow. Let's make a block.
Make a what?
A block.
A block?
Yeah, block.
Look at Grayson over there.
Easy.
Pull it, boy. Oh. So, Daddy, I need a little help.
Now pick it up right here. Here, let me help you.
Are you gonna
Hold
help
on.
me?
Hang on,
Oh,
baby.
yeah.
All right, now pick it up. Oh, now you can do it.
There you go.
Mama, can you help me? I can't build it.
What are you trying to build?
A sandcastle.
I don't know you'll be able to build a sandcastle like that, baby.
Adopt me. Hey, Mama, can you put this to Dad on?
Yes, I can. There you go.
Thanks.
You're very welcome.
On this outside,
I
too.
got to stay this behind.
Oh, we're making for a handle. Yeah. Oh, I found a handle.
Steel is magnetic, guys.
I see one.
Whoa! What you got? It's a hammer.
See if Daddy got any screws or anything around here while we was doing remodeling.
You gotta get it off. Is it stuck? Oh no!
Yeah.
All right, pull. Pull the hammer.
Find a screw or a staple, Daddy give you a dime.
Here.
10 cents.
Not here.
Okay, thank you. If you find a screw or a nail,
Staple, anything magnetic.
staple, anything like that, you get it 10 cents.
Oh,
Find anything?
stop. Listen.
Uh-oh, y'all got stuck together.
Ooh, I found it over there. Where's my shoe?
Right here. There's your shoes. There you go. There you go. Go ahead and put them on.
Oh,
Where are you going?
oh, I picked up the hammer.
Did you find anything, Jason?
Hey, somebody come check right here. Maybe there might be something here.
Grayson, you need to get your shoes on. I just noticed you didn't have shoes on. There you go. You're gonna do what?
You can see up here.
Okay.
It's not that high.
Okay, go ahead.
It's wow. It's
Wow. You see anything magnet up here?
Let's go see.
That's magnetic. Wow. Be careful. Okay, you can do it. Come on. Ready? Go ahead. Hold on to your magnet. Here. I'll sit it up here for you. Okay, here we go. All right.
Thank you. You want to come up here?
I do. I'll come right here. I'm not going to go all the way in. All right, all piled up. Getting ready to burn it. Going to burn it. Not yet, but we got other stuff to do. But this is going to be burned eventually. It's going to be a big fire. Huge.
Yeah. Go.
Come back next time. Bye. See you next time. Bye. See you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notifications when we make new videos. And don't forget to hit the like button, guys.